Two significant things are occurring with me tonight. First, dentists used to be the people I fear most. Tonight, dentists are the people I desire most. Second, when I was about to enter college, I was asked, doctor or lawyer? I answered, lawyer. Reason? White highlights my dark complexion. However, tonight, my dear dentist, I go for what? This is to honor all the dentists of Batangas province, most especially my very dear Kumare, our newly inducted president of the Philippine Dental Association, Batangas chapter, our very own, Dr. Rowena Nini Hernandez. First, maraming salamat po for such a generous introduction. But let me introduce myself on a lighter note. Para po sa mga first time ko na-encounter tonight, ako po si Beatrix, ang malaking babae sa tarpaulin. Kahit sa personal, malaki din. But seriously, let me refresh it of the history which Beatrix marked in the province of Batangas. Back in 2022, ako po ang kandidatong congresswoman, except for my hometown, Mabini. But the history tells us, walang nakasamang mayor, walang nakasamang kapitan, pero dahil sa pagmamahal at suporta ng taong bayan, I am truly humble. Si Beatrix ngayon, naglilingkod bilang congresswoman. All of us here have respective family and career already. Indeed, the life that we have right now, whether fulfilling or otherwise, is the life we chose long before time. In line with this, there is one important principle in life which I always keep in my heart. Tonight, I wish to share it with all the dentists surrounding us tonight. And I hope you say it after me. Are you ready? Are you ready? Life is not a destiny. Life is a choice. Let us give a round of applause to the PDA Batangas chapter.